First, connect the power supply correctly.
Don't forget to connect the ground wire. Connect the chiller to the power supply. Connect the argon gas tube. Connect the two air pipes. Connect the water pipes according to the labels on the water pipes and chiller. Open the water tank cap. Add water until the water level gauge is in the green range. After everything is ready, turn on the power air switch. Turn on the start key. Press the laser button. Finally, press the drive button. Then open the industrial control software. Install the workpiece in a fixed position. Push the switch forward to clamp the workpiece. Writing welding procedures. After the program is compiled, you can start welding.